Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Karanjarwati Mubaraka. So, today I will talk about Chapter 5 Lexical Morphology and Phonology. First, preliminaries. We have been assuming that all morphological operations take place before all phonological rules. But based on Siegel 1974, that some affixes are sensitive to the phonological structure of the words they attach to, where the phonological structure itself is produced by rules. The level ordering hypothesis. This section is the highlight of this chapter, where we determine between morphological process first or phonological process. And the answer is it can be both. Example, if morphological process first in plural, such as house plus s, it pronounced as houses. The phonological process happening after morphological process. If phonological process first to express negative, such as in plus literate, notice here because there is phonological process when our tongue touching the palate at the same time, our tongue must move forward right behind the teeth. So, the correct word is illiterate. The morphological process happening after the phonological process. Zero derivation is a word formation process that does not involve a change in a form, such as using noun as a verb or using verb as a noun. Spy, verb, be spy as a noun, or torment, noun, be torment as a verb. Stress pattern in zero derivation. Verb actually has stress at the second syllable because it's zero derived, and as a noun, the stress at the first and the second syllable. Example, word torment as a verb to noun actually has stress at the second syllable because it's zero derived, and be torment as a noun, the stress at the first and the second syllable. The second syllable does not completely lose stress in this word, but is reduced to a secondary stress, showing that they were originally stressed as a verb. When verbs are zero derived from nouns, they don't shift to a characteristic verb stress pattern. For example, pattern as noun has stress at the first syllable. When it changes as verb, stress is still on the first syllable. Next, productivity. Productivity is how we create a new word by adding affixes. In other words, productivity is word formation by adding prefixes or suffixes such as ness, is, and so on. For example, in the word happy plus ness be happiness, the process was called productivity. Last, blocking. Blocking refers to the morphological phenomenon in which a possible form for a word cannot surface because it is blocked by another form whose features are the most appropriate. For example, in plural noun, usually we add s or es, such as dog plus s be dogs, but child plus s is not correct because blocked by children. Another example, curious plus it is correct, but glorious plus it is not correct because the existence of glory. I think that's all for my explanations. Sorry for my mistakes. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.